Welcome kids. We will see here grammar section, that is English grammar. Okay. Now here is module number 6. We will see what is in this module 6. Here is dictation, that is word dictation. Then vocabulary. Here is days of week and months of the year in this section of vocabulary. Then third section is grammar. In this section we will see articles. These are a, an and the. Then the fourth section is writing. Here we will see make sentences. And the last section here is picture reading. Here picture 1 and 2. So first we will see word dictation. In this word dictation, I will tell some words. So you listen carefully and you should write these words in your grammar books. So first word is here before. First here before. B-E-F-O-R-E. Before. Second is small. S-M-A-double-L small. S-M-A-double-L small. Then third is hot. H-O-T hot. H-O-T hot. Then fourth is help. H-E-L-P help. H-E-L-P help. Fifth is mix. M-I-X mix. M-I-X mix. Sixth word is bowl. B-O-W-L bowl. B-O-W-L. Then 7 kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. K-I-T-C-H-E-N kitchen. Then 8 is open. O-P-E-N open. O-P-E-N open. So you should write these words in your grammar book. Then vocabulary is here. So days of the week and months of the year. So look here, we can see here days of the week. So first is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. How many days are here? There are 7 days in a week. This is the 1 week of 7 days, which starts from Sunday. Okay, this is the 1 week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Already you have learnt it in your KG section. Now here is months. There are 12 months in a year. So we will see what is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. There are 12 months. How many are there? 12 months. Okay. These 12 months makes 1 year. Now we will see some exercises. Here is exercise number 2.1. Write which day comes before or after the given day in each. Now here is number 1. Here is Monday and then Tuesday. Now from second we will solve the exercise. Here is Friday. So which day before Friday? Here is Thursday. T H U R S D A Y. Okay. So you write carefully. It is a small space, so I can't write neatly. Then third is Saturday. It is again little space, but I will try to write properly. Then which day after Saturday? It's Sunday. So Sunday. It's Sunday. Okay. Now here fourth eh, fourth fill in the blank. Here is a Thursday. So what's the answer? Wednesday. Okay. So Wednes and Day. Wednesday. Now fifth fill in the blank. Here is Tuesday. So what is the day before Tuesday? Here is a Monday. Monday. Okay, Monday, Tuesday. Now the sixth number here is a Friday. Then tell me the after day of Friday. Very good. It's Saturday. So write Saturday. Okay, it's Saturday. So you have to write these answers in your grammar book, page number 3. Now exercise number 2.2. Complete the table. One is done for you. Here are months. We will fill the table of months. Already one is done for you. Look here. April, May, June. This is last month, this month and next month. Means current month, last and after. Before and after months. So we will solve this table. Here is second number. This month is December. So which month we should write here in the last month? Tell me fast. December. Before month is November. So you should write here November. November. Okay. And the next month of December is January. So write here January. January. Okay. Then third number. We can see here March, current month. Current month means this month. Okay. Then which before month of March? It's February. So write February. February. And then April. It's after month of March. Next month. Okay. So April. 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 Now next fourth. Here we can see August. Now tell me the last month of August. Very good. It's July. 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 And the next month of August is September. 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 It's September. Then fifth. Here is January. So last month of January is December. Then write the spelling of December. 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 And the next month of January is February. So write the spelling of February. 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 Then last here sixth number. This month is July. So last month is June. 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 So write here June. June. And then next month of July is August. 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 You should fill this chart in your grammar book. Okay. Now here is a grammar section and we will see the using a, an and the. This is a and the. What is this? These are articles. But when we use these articles, we will see. Lina is a girl. She is holding an apple. She will eat the apple now. Okay. Now, look at the words a, and the. These words point out naming words or group of naming words. They are called articles. As I told you, these are articles. A, then an, and the. These are articles, but we will see when we use these. Okay. Now look here. When we use a is used before words that start with consonant sound. Okay. A consonant sound is the sound made by all the letters other than A, E, I, O and U. What is this? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. These are vowels and other letters are consonants. So, A is used before the words which starts from consonants. Look here. For example, this is a cat. Look here. Cat. It's a naming word which start from C and C is a consonant. So, before these words, we use A. Why A? Because C-A-T, cat, and C is a consonant. So, we use A here. Means we can use A when the naming word or group's name or sound start from consonants. That time we use A. Okay. And the second example here is, this is a rat. Look here. R-A-T, rat. R is a consonant, so we use A. Okay. Now we will see when we use an. So look here. An is used before words that start with vowel sound. It starts with vowel sound. Vowel sound are the sounds made by the letters A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels, and we can use an when the words start from vowel sound. So look here. For example, Sheila has an orange. Look here. Orange. Sheila has an orange. Why we use an? Because orange is a naming word and O is a vowel sound. So we should use an. Okay. Then this is an ant. Here is a second example. Look here. Ant. A-N-T. A-N-T. Ant. So this naming word is start from A, which is the vowel sound. So we should use here an. Okay. Then again we can take example of elephant. We start from E. Then we can take example of ice cream. We start from I, which is a vowel sound. That time we use an. Okay. Next, when we use the. When we speak about something for the first time, we use a. After that, we use the when we speak about the same thing again. जब किसी एक सेंटेंस में हम एक ही चीज़ के बारे में 2-3 बार बोल रहे हो तो फर्स्ट टाइम हम उसके लिए ए का यूज़ करेंगे. But when we talk about this thing again, that time we use the. It must. Okay. So the is also used to speak about something in particular. The is also used speak about something particular. So look here. For example, this is a rabbit. Look here. The rabbit is eating a carrot. Look here. First time before rabbit we use a. But when we talk about rabbit again, that time we use the. Now second example. Ira went to the park that is near her house. That is near her house. So the is used about something in particular. Park is a particular place. So we use here the. Okay. I hope you understood these articles. We will solve some exercise about this article. First is done for us. Sorry. Now look here. Here is exercise number 3.1. What is this? Read aloud the names under each picture. Then match the picture to the words A or an. One is done for you. Now we will match it. What is here? Number 2. First is ice cream, which is matched with an because I is a vowel sound. Ice cream. I is a vowel and it has vowel sound, so it join with an. Then second is octopus. Look here. OCTOPUS, octopus, and it start with O, which is a vowel sound. So we will join this octopus with an. Okay. Now third is well. 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 W is sound of consonant. W. It's a W is a consonant and it has consonant sound. So we should join it with A because A is used before consonant sound. Then fourth is dog. DOG, dog. It has also consonant sound, so join with A. Then queen. Q is also consonant sound. It's not a vowel. Q is not a vowel, so join with A. And then ant. Ant is a ant has vowel sound. A-N-T, ant. So join with A and N. Okay. Now next exercise is here. Fill in the blanks with A or N. One is done for you. So look here. An arrow. It's first arrow because A vowel sound. So use of an here. Then kite. K is a consonant. So use A. Then igloo. I is vowel. So use here A and N. Then cake. So CAK, cake. Cake is a C is a consonant. So write A. And then bat. B is a consonant. So write A again. And 6 ear. E is a vowel. So write A and N. Okay. Now we will see next exercise. What is this? This is exercise number 3.3. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with A, an or the. Okay. So we will solve it. Here is one is done for us. First is I eat and egg. Here is a egg. Okay, broken egg. So A start with E. So here we can see an egg every day. Okay. Then second is give me dash dash. What is this? This is a book. And book is start from B. And it's a consonant. So write A. Okay. Then third is I have a bicycle. Okay. Bicycle is very nice. Now here is a fill in the blank before bicycle. Now we will tell something about bicycle again. And when we talk about one thing again, that time we use the. The. Okay. Now next is 4. Give me dash dash. Here is apple that is on the table. Now give me what? The apple. Here we should not and give me the apple. Okay. Next is it's a particular. Okay, so we use the. Then this is ink pot. Now what is the fill in the blank? INK, ink. This is an. Why we use an here? Because I is a vowel and it has vowel sound. So we use an. Then number 6. He saw dash dash. This is elephant in the zoo. He saw an elephant. Elephant start with E and it has vowel sound. So an. Okay. You should fill it in your grammar book. Okay. Then next is you can see here make sentences. So next is section make sentences. Exercise number 4. Join the words in the table to make 5 sentences. One is done for you. Okay. So first we can see the mouse. Now where we join it? The mouse is running on the floor. So we will make first sentence. The mouse is running on the floor. Okay. Then I. Here is I. Then after that I, we should use am. And the sentence of am is here. Okay. I am very happy. Third is the hungry cat. What? The hungry cat was chasing the rat. Look here. Chasing means पाठलाग करने, पीछे भागना, किसी के पीछे भागना. That the hungry cat was chasing the rat. Then Sam. What? Sam is sad. Okay. And brown. Brown is a color. So the sentence of color is here. Brown is my favorite color. Okay. So you should write this on your textbook. Grammar book page number 9. Look here. Which sentence we made? First is the mouse is running on the floor. Then I am very happy. It's the second. Then third is the hungry cat was chasing the rat, which we joined. This sentence you should write on the grammar book page number 9. Okay. Then fourth is Sam is sad. Fifth is brown is my favorite color. This sentence you write in your grammar book. I will send the pictures of this textbook with filling these exercises. Okay. Then today we have learnt about names of days and months. Then we have also seen the uses of articles. Which articles? These are a, an and the. Okay. Then your homework is fill this module 6 in your grammar book part 2. Okay. And also write answers of picture reading. Workbook page number 10 to 12. So I will send these answers in a picture. So thank you. Bye.